Hey everyone, this is Shira. Welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you my home office where I do my work, where I create my art, where I do my filming. And this video is a different video because this is not a how-to video. At the same time, I'll be doing journaling while filming. So I hope you enjoy this video. This workspace is a 1/3 of the room, so the 2/3 of the room is where we sleep, so where we sleep with my baby and my partner. It took me a long time to have my own room because we're not the type of family that is well off that we can just easily get what we wanted when we were a child. Having a family who is supportive, not just with my academics, at the same time with the other things that I do, because I do modeling, pageant, and events. So my mom is very supportive at it, and now that I'm a mom, I love the way that she grew me as who I am now. Is a huge contribution to who I am today. Also, I really get inspired with her because she is the type of person who's creative, while my father is the type of person who's very intelligent, and I really love the combination with my parents. Have this detachable open kind of cabinet where in the top most I put all the books or references that I need, and also at the same time the notebooks that I use, and also the things that I used for printing my products, because I personally do the production of my products. Second level of the cabinet is where I put my printer. I'm using Canon Pixma printer, and beside my printer is where I put I have a bag where I put my essentials. I am the type of person who reuse bags or things that can be used. I also use as a pen holder the plastic bottle from a sponsorship from the last pageant I used, which is Bini Cebu, which is coming this year, which is around October or November. Third level is where I put my laptop. Full disclaimer, this actually, it's not my laptop, it's my papa's laptop, which I just borrowed because my laptop was broken, so I really borrowed from him. So doing the things that you love, you don't really need to have the fanciest things. You just really need to have the effort and the motivation to do the things that you love. See, I don't have the things that I want, but I do have the things that I need. If I don't have the things that I needed, then I will find a way. You really need to be resourceful in order for you to start the thing that you really wanted to pursue. If you keep making excuses that you don't have the things that you needed in doing the thing that you love, then basically you will lose the creative side of you, because all the skills, knowledge, and talents that we have acquired, it is all learned. If we really exert effort to find a way to learn a new thing, to be resourceful with the things that we use, we'll have a creative mindset. The third part of my cabinet is where I put other resources. I reused the box from the One Funnel Away challenge. I also put the books that doesn't fit in the topmost part of the cabinet. The lowest part of the cabinet is where I put the hair iron, the camera, and the other art material. I also have a luggage where I put all my art materials, because way back then when I don't have a room, I decided to put all my art materials in a luggage. If I will not put it in a luggage, it will be everywhere in the house. Part of my home office is a bulletin board where I pin sometimes my mood board or the things that I need to do or the planning out. I have my wall calendar, which I sell. I'll be posting on my Instagram, so you can check it out if you're interested to purchase the products that I'm creating. One of that is the calendar. I've been using it this year, and I'm testing out designs and formats for my calendar. I think that this could be useful for you in your work or at your home. Other products that I'll be selling in my art shop is more related translated into art, which is artistically designed, at the same time functional and useful for you. Notebooks and bags. Art shop is more of a stationary line, at the same time a combination with lifestyle. At the opposite of the cabinet, I really love to move my table a lot. Sometimes I face it on the wall, sometimes I face it in front of the window, but as of now I prefer to face it on the window because I really get fresh air and a good sight outside of the home. Thank you for watching this video. I'm honestly grateful that I shared to you my humble space, my humble simple space. This is the space where I continuously create and share to you my knowledge and insight.